Discover Gibraltar, 10 must-see attractions and useful travel tips. Vertical bar, DSV Travel Trip.
Welcome to DSV Travel Trip. In this video, we'll explore Gibraltar, a unique destination blending history, nature, and breathtaking views. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or just someone looking to experience something new, Gibraltar offers something for everyone. In this guide, we'll walk you through 10 of the best attractions in Gibraltar, giving you insider tips and practical advice to make the most of your visit. Gibraltar is a British overseas territory strategically located at the southern tip of the Iberian Peninsula, bordering Spain to the north. It sits at the entrance to the Mediterranean Sea, where the Atlantic Ocean meets the Mediterranean, making it one of the most significant maritime crossroads in the world. Just 14 kilometers, 9 miles, across the Strait of Gibraltar lies the northern coast of Africa, specifically Morocco, making Gibraltar a crucial geographical link between Europe and Africa. This unique location has historically given Gibraltar immense strategic and economic importance, serving as a key point for naval trade and military defense.
1. Europa Point, the southernmost tip of Gibraltar.
Europa Point is the most southern part of Gibraltar, offering some of the best panoramic views in the region. From here, you can spot the Trinity Lighthouse, a 19th century beacon that has guided ships through the Strait of Gibraltar for centuries. On a clear day, you can see the coast of Africa. As you take in the view, don't miss the Mosque of Ibrahim al-Ibrahim, a gift from the late King of Saudi Arabia. This area is perfect for a peaceful walk along the coast, where you can enjoy the Mediterranean breeze and take photos of the stunning scenery.
2. Main Street, the heart of Gibraltar's shopping district.
Walking down Main Street feels like stepping back in time, but with a modern twist. This pedestrianized street is lined with shops offering everything from duty-free goods to local crafts. Main Street is one of the best places to explore Gibraltar's culture, where you can find great deals on perfumes, electronics, and alcohol. The street is always bustling, with cafes and restaurants serving up local delights. While exploring, don't forget to pop into some of the hidden alleys where local vendors sell unique souvenirs.
3. Alameda Botanic Gardens, a peaceful retreat.
For a more relaxed experience, head to the Alameda Botanic Gardens, located at the foot of the rock. These expansive gardens, established in 1816, are the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. The gardens are home to a variety of native and exotic plants, with beautiful walking paths that will allow you to unwind and take in the lush greenery. You can take a stroll or simply sit and enjoy the tranquility. It's also a great spot to rest before you head up to the rock via the cable car.
4. Gibraltar Cable Car, a scenic ride to the top.
The Gibraltar Cable Car is an exciting way to ascend to the top of the rock. In just 6 minutes, you'll be at 412 meters above sea level, with panoramic views stretching across the Mediterranean, Spain, and even Morocco on clear days. The cable car ride is not only scenic, but also offers a thrilling experience as you look down over the lush landscape below. Once you're at the top, you'll find plenty of spots to take in the view and enjoy the fresh air.
5. Upper Rock Nature Reserve, a sanctuary for wildlife.
The Upper Rock Nature Reserve is the crown jewel of Gibraltar's natural attractions. Covering over 40% of the territory, this protected area is home to a diverse array of plants and animals, including the famous Barbary macaques, the only wild monkeys in Europe. There are numerous walking trails within the reserve that offer stunning views of the Bay of Gibraltar and the surrounding area. It's a fantastic place to spend a few hours, and it's ideal for wildlife enthusiasts looking to observe these unique animals in their natural habitat.
6. Skywalk, a thrilling glass-floored experience.
One of the most exhilarating experiences in Gibraltar is walking along the Skywalk. This glass-floored platform offers a heart-stopping view as you look directly down to the rocky cliffs below. It's located at the top of the rock, providing one of the best vantage points in the whole of Gibraltar. The Skywalk is not for the faint of heart, but the incredible panoramic views more than make up for the adrenaline rush.
7. St. Michael's Cave, a natural underground wonderland.
St. Michael's Cave is a must-visit attraction for anyone interested in nature's wonders. This vast network of limestone caves is adorned with colorful lights that illuminate the towering stalactites and stalagmites, creating an otherworldly atmosphere. The caves have a rich history, having been used as a hospital during World War II. As you explore the various chambers, you'll discover more about the cave's fascinating geological formations and its historical significance.
8. Suspension Bridge, a unique way to experience the rock.
For those who are looking for a different perspective of the rock, the suspension bridge is a fantastic addition to your itinerary. Suspended 71 meters above a deep ravine, this bridge connects two World War II artillery batteries, adding a layer of historical intrigue to your visit. As you walk across, you'll have breathtaking views of the lush vegetation below and the bay in the distance. It's a thrilling experience, combining both natural beauty and historical landmarks.
9. Moorish Castle, a glimpse into Gibraltar's history.
The Moorish Castle is one of the most iconic landmarks in Gibraltar, dating back to the 8th century. It was originally built by the Moors during their occupation of Gibraltar and has been expanded and renovated over the centuries. Explore the Tower of Homage, walk along the battlements, and learn about the role the castle played in defending the territory during various sieges. It's a fascinating site that offers both history and stunning views of the surrounding area.
10. WWII Tunnels, a walk through history.
The WWII tunnels offer a fascinating look at Gibraltar's strategic role during the Second World War. These tunnels were carved into the rock to house soldiers and protect the British forces from aerial attacks. Today, visitors can explore parts of the tunnels and learn about their military significance. While some sections may be closed depending on the season, the Great Siege Tunnels and City Under Siege exhibition are still open and provide an immersive historical experience.
Bonus: explore beyond the main attractions.
While these 10 attractions are the highlights of Gibraltar, there's plenty more to see and do. If you have more time, consider visiting the Gibraltar National Museum to dive deeper into the territory's rich cultural heritage, or embark on a dolphin-watching boat tour for a unique experience on the water. You can also unwind at Catalan Bay or Camp Bay, two of Gibraltar's most picturesque beaches, perfect for a relaxing afternoon.
Useful travel tips for visiting Gibraltar.
Visa requirements. Depending on your nationality, you may need a visa to enter Gibraltar. If you're traveling from the UK or EU, the process is usually straightforward, but make sure to check the latest requirements. Public transport. If you don't have a car, Gibraltar has an efficient public transport system, including buses that connect the major attractions. You can also opt for taxis or rent a bike if you prefer more flexibility. Parking. Finding parking can be challenging, especially during the peak tourist season. It's a good idea to park in Spain and cross the border by foot or bus. If you must drive, there are several car parks around Gibraltar, but make sure to check the parking regulations carefully to avoid fines. Thank you so much for joining us on this virtual adventure through Gibraltar. We hope this guide has inspired you to add this incredible destination to your travel bucket list. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our next travel guide. We've got tons of amazing destinations and tips coming your way to help you plan your next adventure. For more in-depth guides, travel tips, and fun facts, check out the description below where you'll find helpful links and resources to plan your own Gibraltar trip.
We'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which place in Gibraltar you're most excited to visit or share your travel experiences with us. We read every comment and love connecting with our community. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels from DSV Travel Trip.